Okay, what I have here is my iPhone 4S. I'm going to take it and put it into this mason jar carefully. And I have some candy corn. I have it. You could put anything in here. You could put keys, a modem, money, credit cards. It doesn't have to be your iPhone. It could be other types of smartphones. And I have this lid. It goes over the top. And now I'm going to lock the lid using my Microsaver. Line up the T. It's locked. Lid is not coming off. The iPhone 4 is not coming out. It's locked on. Unlock it. Access to my iPhone. Still working. And I think I'll have a candy corn. Thanks for watching. Bye.